Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact range or entire sheet so you don't change unrelated data. Once selected, open Find and replace with Ctrl+H or CMD+Shift+H. This brings up quick fields for find and replace. Make sure to enter the exact text or pattern you want to change. Use the options immediately. Check match case if capitalization matters, match entire cell for full cell replacements, or enable regular expressions for pattern-based finds. These choices control precision before you next enter the text to find and the replacement text, but don't hit replace all yet. Once done, click replace to change a single instance and watch the result so you confirm behavior. Make sure search is set to this sheet or all sheets depending on scope, and switch on regular expressions for pattern-based substitutions like dates or codes. Also decide whether to search within formulas versus displayed values. Choose the correct checkbox so you update references or visible text as intended. When you're confident the sample replacement looked right, click Replace All to apply the change across the chosen scope, then scan the sheet to confirm. If anything looks wrong, press Undo immediately to revert the operation, and consider restoring from a backup for extensive edits. If problems recur, check the rejects or pattern used, ensure match case and match entire cell settings are correct, and confirm you selected the right sheet or range. Incorrect options are the most common cause of unwanted replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.